Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new vlog. I didn't vlog at all in September. I only have a few clips here and there that I'll put together for you guys to see. September was a really interesting month for me. I did a lot of things, including my hair. So today is October 3rd, and today is my husband's birthday. We we're just celebrating together, just the both of us at home. And you guys will see how we'll spend our day. I want to make breakfast now, and let's just spend the day together. If you're new on the channel, you're welcome. And if you're an OG, thank you for coming back. Please do not forget to click the subscribe button if you find this video helpful, and please share with someone. So we're done having breakfast. We're done having breakfast, and we shared some of the small chops with our neighbors, and we are taking to my siblings. We're taking to my siblings also, and I ordered chicken from my brother's farm, so I also have to collect that, and we'll come back to the house after that. So my husband has gone to work, and I also want to quickly get some work done. I finally brought my aloe vera home, and I need to transplant it. So I need to get somewhere to transplant it into. We have plans for dinner, and we'll just see how the day keeps unfolding. So I'm going to get some work done before he gets back from his office so that we can have our dinner. I'm about so busy to be some of us too busy to be somebody, busy to be somebody. Good morning, guys. So yesterday I was a bit overwhelmed, so I couldn't eat. Brother-in-law came, and he came to patronize me again. He also came with wine, which we already empty. Then a friend came to watch ball with my husband. So I'm going to dish jollof rice yesterday. So I'm going to dish that for breakfast now. I could not make chicken again yesterday. I didn't finish my work from yesterday, so I have to continue today. I'm going to post that. I'm going to post the tutorial of that, guys. It's coming out so beautiful, and it's going to be available for sale from November. I will keep you guys updated on all of that. I also want to edit a vlog today. I haven't uploaded on YouTube. I haven't uploaded in almost 2 weeks. I'm not happy about it. So to eat now and just do everything. So that's it, guys. I feel like whenever I make food without paparazzi and all of that, it always come out nice. So I actually woke up like very, very hungry. So that's it. I'm going to eat this and add like a cup of yogurt with it. So I want to use like the early hour now that I am eating to edit the vlog that I want to edit. So I will use this morning to edit the vlog I want to edit. Then I'll start working at about 11-ish. So that's it. Sorry, I'm going to have to leave it there, but it's my really good to hear your analysis of what's going on. It's in my comment that we had and I'm also just uploading the video that is supposed to go live today. It's currently past 12. So I'm sure that it will be ready by the time I am done with all of the cleaning. So my mom just came back to Abuja. She traveled, she went to the village, and she came back with so many goodies, so many goodies. So this robo, I don't even know how to describe robo in English, but it's like a local snack. Then locust bean, dried locust bean. Then this is like a whole bottle of coconut oil. Like she told me the king's wife was making, like KBC's wife was making. So she asked, I told her I wanted, and also she knows how much like I use coconut oil for my hair, for my body. And this is like, it smells so good. Like when I smelt it in the house, it smelled so good. It smells really good. So like this is a whole bottle of homemade fresh coconut oil. Then this is wara. I don't know the English name for wara, but it's made from cow milk. Yes, all of this wara. So she will ask if I wanted it. So this is Adun. Adun is also like a local snack. I really used to enjoy this as a child, especially the ones that are wrapped in this local leaf, this normal leaf. Then all of this is pap. Guys, I don't know if I've ever mentioned it on this channel, but after Eba, the next thing that you can bribe me with is like pap, correct pap. And I don't like my pap with milk, just sugar. Then this is vegetable. So, okay, this is robo. Robo is also, sorry, this is dodokiri. It's also a local snack. Then this is vegetable, like fresh vegetable from the farm. And the fact that it's still this fresh since on Friday and today is Sunday, it is still this fresh. So I asked her for how I can preserve it, and she has told me. So she said that you can keep it under the dew every night. So when the dew, like, I don't know, if you keep it under the dew, it still remains fresh because this is shoko. So because all the vegetables I normally buy here, by the time like 2 days, a day after, it's already dried up and you can't eat it again. It's not fresh, it's not crunchy. But I hope this one is not like that. Then another thing that she gave us is these big yams, guys. She gave us yams, tubers of yam. And then there's this incense that my sister lit in the house that I really liked. This one's so I took like just four that I can burn in the house. So that's everything. She said she's going to send a goosey later. She's just breaking them, washing and share. I don't know if that is even the right English word. So that's everything. We just got back from church. She also gave us dinner because we were at our place like till almost 6 p.m. So she gave us dinner of pounded yam and a foreo. So that's what we're going to have for dinner. And I'll see you guys in the morning because I am so hungry and tired. I just wanted to show you guys all of this. So we'll see you in the morning. Bye. I don't want to say.
Last year, Fireboy, I think.
Jersey. Nobody, 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 nobody. Nobody, 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 nobody. Oh, Vicky. She's about our top three.
V-Money, let's go. People are saying, wait, 10 seconds.
Your
three before the door. Hey, V-Money, V-Money. I was only V-Money, right?
The board count and ranking of contestants were independently computed by Deloitte and confirmed based the vote results determined by Mnet.
Wani, exactly. God, I beg. Anyway.
The winner. Yeah. Four kinds of just
The winner
yeah.
of Big Brother Niger Season 9 is
Kelly Ray. Ebuka, enjoy your moments. Enjoy. Ebuka will change to announce the winner. That's strange. This one Ebuka wore northern attire. Hey, Jesus.
Can you go to the